Baby. Hey, I'm ready now. Wake up, somebody's setting up black. Somebody's setting up black.
What do you want now, damn it? What? Really?
Hit me with the super bass.
Okay, I'll hit you with the super bass. You got it?
Yeah, bass guitar.
I just send you a lead guitar. That's better.
What is up, YouTube? How y'all doing? Yeah. Check it out without a doubt. Hey, we're gonna show you what it's all about eating. Hurricane? Y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. This is live, y'all. So let's check this bad boy. Yeah. Hey.
Write her on my symphony, play with me, look into my eyes and see. People walk away but never say goodbye. Someone stole the moon tonight, took my light. Everything is black and white. Who's the fool who told you boys don't cry? Hours and hours and powers. Life is no game but it's ours. Why? The time goes wild. Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide. Take it all and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane. Living in a fantasy, ecstasy. Everything is meant to be. We shall pass, but love will
There it is.
never die. Hours and hours and hours. Life is no game, but it's ours. Why? The time goes wild.
It's real, y'all.
Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide. Take it all and leave the world behind.
Israel.
Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane. Woo! 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 This hurricane. Woo! Woo! לא צריך מילים גדולות, רק תפילות. אפילו אם קשה לראות, תמיד אתה משאיר לי אור אחד קטן. Thank you!
Live, man. This is This is the semifinals, number 2. Okay. Hey, that was pretty nice right there. I'm over here trying to figure out. Don't forget, we live when we doing our reactions. I'm trying to figure out what they trying to tell me, which I ain't get it yet. So, hey, Hurricane, something happen? Festival in Israel, yeah. So shout out to them, man. Pray for them. I hope everything is okay. Long story short, and I'm gonna get on up out of here. Y'all take it light, take it slow. Tell them Mike Cross. Told you so. Peace out. Dedicated to the lives lost. It was a lot of lives lost. I don't do negativity too well, so a lot of lives got lost. Peace out, y'all.